In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot in laptop in Windows 11. So there are two ways of doing it, and I'm going to show you both. So the first one is to go down here to the Windows search and type in snipping tool. There we go. This is a program that's installed by default on all Windows devices, and you want to click on it, and this window will pop up. Now over here, you want to press on this new screenshot plus button over here, and then select an area which you would like to screenshot. Let's say I want this logo of the channel screenshotted. You want to just simply select it and then release your mouse button, and that's it. You've got your screenshot in here. You can edit it if you want to. You can draw something on it, or pinpoint something, or highlight it with this highlighter tool over here. You can also erase things and stuff like that. Now, once you've done what you want to do, you can either copy it to your clipboard, or save it to your computer, so as a PNG file, or edit in Paint some more if you'd like to do that. Now this is the slowest way, which will allow you to kind of edit the screenshot more precisely, but there's also a quicker way of making a screenshot, or of taking a screenshot. Now once you're anywhere in Windows, you can also press and hold down Windows button plus Shift button plus S, and this screenshot tool will open up automatically. So remember, Windows plus Shift plus S, you want to press them simultaneously, and then you can select the area you'd like to screenshot, and the screenshot will be automatically saved to your clipboard, and you can paste it or send it wherever you'd like. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you out.